Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 3 of January. So let's get right into this video. So we're going to be working with my sinking funds tracker, and I want to show you guys something. So this is my breakdown for this paycheck, but I want to show you guys how to put these categories on another page without having to retype whatever these categories again. So first, let's add a page because last time it was out of frame. So we click this button right here, right? Where is it? We click this one right here, and we click copy page, right? And then we click this button right here. There's a plus on it, and it says paste page. So here's the page that we did just copy, and let's just clear it. All right, so now to copy these categories, right, you want to click this button right here, and then you just outline all of it right here, and then you just click copy, right, and then go to the next page and paste it, and just place it right back where you want it. And you can also resize it however big or small you want it. But yeah, this is just save you guys time, so you guys don't have to rewrite all your sinking funds over and over again. So yeah, let's get right into this cash envelope stuffing video. Alright guys, so starting off with utilities is getting its usual 50. Alright guys, so this is the cash breakdown card, and I'm stuffing 760 bucks. And you guys already know that I have a quote on the back of each card. I added new quotes, and also if you guys could comment down below a Bible verse, and I'll pick which one I would like to put on the back of my cards, because I would like to have some Bible verses on the back of these cards. Alright, so onto our cash envelopes. My cash envelope binder set, guys, I'll have it back on sale Saturday night, because tonight and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be working on filling orders and stuff. So I bought some shipping labels, and I bought some laminating sheets from Amazon, and they delivered my package to the wrong house. So I'm pretty upset about that, and I did contact them and they gave me a refund, but now I gotta wait 2 days just to get my package again. So groceries, we have some money left, guys. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and you guys already know these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, and these dollars is going into my kids' piggy bank. And groceries always get 100, and I always do it in 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Next is gas, and gas has some money left. So we have $25 left in gas, and this 5 is going into my $5 saving jar, and this 20, guys, I'm gonna put to the side, and I'm gonna show you guys what I do with this $20. I do not roll over the money that's in my grocery, gas, and spending envelope. So gas always get $60 a week, so 20, 40, 60. Next is spending, and we do have some money left in spending also. We have $6 in spending, and this dollar is going into my kids' saving jar. This $5 is going into my $5 saving jar, and spending is getting 20. And next is beauty, and beauty isn't getting stuff. I do have over 100 and something dollars in there. And coins, we're gonna put this in my coins jar. So I do have my license and my $50 gift card in my coins pouch. Alright guys, so I did read most of your guys' comments, and you guys will like a nail tutorial or something. So I am planning to do one, but I don't know when, so I can't promise you guys on that. But yeah, I did my own nails this time around too. So you guys, these are press-ons, and I'm trying to stay away from acrylics because it did damage my nails last time. I had it for over almost a year wearing acrylics, but I was always getting a new set. But I did have like a green nail situation going on, so that's why I stopped wearing acrylics, and I just wanted to let my nails breathe. So let's get into stuffing these sinking funds. Alright guys, so starting off with my clear binder, we are stuffing my kids' sinking fund first, my kids' savings, and they always get the usual 25. Lanisha now has 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900, 950, 970, 990, 1,010, 1,015, 1,020, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36. So Lanisha has 3,036 bucks. Jaden is getting the usual 25 also. So 25. So Jaden has 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. So that's 2,500, 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 125, 127. So 2,500 plus 127 is 2,627 bucks. Next is vacation, and vacation is getting 15. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 550, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 600, 510. So yeah, 610. Family time is getting 10. So family time, we now have 100, 20, 30, 45, 50. Clothing is getting 30, 20, 30. Clothing, we now have 100, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 10, 20, $1. So 321. Also guys, you can buy my sinking funds tracker in my Etsy shop. So everything guys is going to be linked in the description box down below. Alright, so let's go on to our blue binder. I'm going to start contributing to my emergency funds again. Even though I hit my $1,000 goal, I do want to make it another 1,000. So we're going to try to make it at 2,000 for 2021. So home remodel is getting 50. And we now have 50s, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Next is car maintenance, and car maintenance is also getting 50. And in car maintenance, we now have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 700, 750, 820, 30. Alright, let me actually move these money down real quick. So depth snowball is getting 100. So we now have 200 towards our depth snowball. Health is getting 5. And in health we have 100, 150, 60, 75, 85, 95. So I do have health insurance. This, guys, is just for co-pays and like vitamins, whatever I need for health and wellness. So my savings challenge, guys, this one is mine. So we are in January and I'm gonna actually fill in the $40 box. So 20, 40. And this savings challenge right here is my boyfriend's savings challenge, and he get paid bi-weekly, so he will be stuffing his next week. Alright, let's get on to my Pinkx binder. Alright guys, so savings this week is getting 100. So 100. So in savings we now have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 3,604 bucks. Jenny, this is my envelope, guys. So whatever money I have left from my cash envelope, which we got $20 left this week, well last week, is gonna go right into my Jenny envelope, and I'll tell you guys what I'm planning to do with this money in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Alright, Christmas is getting 30 bucks. So 20, 30. So in Christmas we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 25. So back to school is getting 5 bucks. And I'm actually gonna move these 5s up real quick and then put this money in back to school. So in back to school we now have 20, 40, 55, 65, 75. Next is gifts, and gifts is getting 25, 25. And in gifts we now have 100, 150, 200, 20, 45, 55, 65. Last, guys, is Boss Up. Boss Up is getting 20. So in Boss Up we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 35. So in case you guys are wondering, Boss Up is my business envelope, and that's it of my cash envelope stuffing. And I do not track my 52-week savings, so let's put a dash there. I don't even have my emergency fund category here because as of right now I haven't been stuffing it because it did reach its $1,000 goal. And for taxes, let's just put how much we have left in tax. Well, we have taxes. So in taxes we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500 bucks. So we have 5 for taxes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.